gold opened the week on a bearish note, achieving 1965 levels, and since then have reversed. And as we discussed in our Asia and Europe session update, a buying entry could be taken at around 1976 with the bullish confirmation with only above 1985 levels. It has so far not breached the levels at 1985. At the same time, oil has too traded bullish and it has gone towards 88. Now, same levels we have discussed that 88 is going to play a crucial role. 88 and 88.3, if these two levels are breached, then you can say that the oil has turned bullish. Now, so far both have respected. Now what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and crude oil, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end and do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Now see what has happened since today morning is there was a gap down. It is straight bearish. Now the gap is filled. It has come to the resistance levels. Yes, it is only bullish above 1985 levels. So far it is respecting the levels. It has gone towards 1983. Now yes, 1975 below which you can possibly expect another round of bearishness may prevail here for gold here. Right now it is trying to stay within the bullish channel. If you look at the moving averages, is still trying to trade with divergence and are still bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD has come to the bottom. It is still trying to cross over. It is not yet crossed over. It is still trying to stay in the bearish zone. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Let it break below 1975. Then further bearishness is going to prevail here towards 1970 and then further lows can be expected there. Yes, if it draws below 1975, now further bearishness may prevail. Also look at the moving averages. They are trading with divergence. There is a possibility for them to converge, which suggests that gold might try to stay slightly bearish here. Stochastic near to overbought zone. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. It is looking downwards as of now. And this crossover has come after a double top level. So possibly it may try to retrace a little on the downside. RSI is also comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish as of now. Coming to the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts in the morning update, we have seen that it is respecting the channel. It has hit the bottom and now trying to reverse. Now, once it stays beyond 1985, that is the only level above which more bullishness may prevail. We can look forward to 1991. 2000 levels then. But right now what is happening, if you look at the charts here, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It has filled the gap and breaking below 1975 is the level below which certainly the bears might try to take over here. Hence, that is the selling entry one could take. I will expect 1970, 1965 levels again, and if it crashes there, then this is the support zone which I'll be looking forward to at 1950-45. Very strong support exists there. But right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. You have to be cautious there. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish. It is trading with divergence. It is looking downwards, and this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels at around plus 15, plus 20. See, a rise from minus 20 to plus 20 was enormous, and now it is trying to trade with slight bearish bias. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. It has tried to trade with slight bearishness since then. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour chart. See higher lows here. And see the preceding candle with a bigger wick and a smaller body suggests that the prices are not willing to stay above 1980. That is very important. Prices are not willing to stay above 1980 levels. And then the resistance at 1984-85 is very strong. Thus, we have seen a pullback here. Now, this is the third greener candle in making here, which could turn bearish. If it prices stays below 1975, we can see a reversal here and we may see a drop there in the prices towards 1965, and then further lows can be expected from there. If you look at the 4-hour chart, see right now prices tried to converge here towards the 20 period moving average and again started to look upwards. So the drop is done and it is trying to diverge again, but we have to remain watchful, cautious, as yes, the moving average is crossed over long back. It is trading with divergence. There should be slight convergence, which means a little bearishness, but right now it is not showing any signs. RSI is rising. MACD has crossed over at top. See, this is what I was talking in the 3-hour charts as well. Minus 20 to plus 20. This journey is done. See, it is stabilizing here and now trying to look downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, if you look at the daily chart, the swing here, higher highs, lower lows, pivot at around 1973-75 zone, breaking below which certainly the bears will take over. Thus, a selling entry at 75 can be taken and a buying entry at 85 is possible. Beyond 1985, certainly the bulls might try to take over. See, the stochastic was overbought. It is trying to look downwards, trying to stay bearish. The MACD has traded with divergence here on the daily charts. Look at the candle size has diminished here, suggestive of that possibly this candle might try to converge and hence bearishness might prevail. RSI is over. Now, before I give you the trading levels for the day, do join the platform for the traders, forexfunda.com. Here you will get all the opportunities. You will get the economic calendar from with the data across the globe. You will get markets data. You can find any and every chart, be it stocks, indices, commodities, forex, crypto, anything. So these charts you can create your own analysis here. So suggest any stock, find any futures data here, or currencies or CFD, crypto. Everything is available in a single go here. Also, yes, you can add your indicators and create your chart. Also, you can find an expert. You can book a call and find the solution to your trading decisions, whether be it a futuristic solution that which position you should take in any specific commodity currency, and it is applicable to any niche if you want to discuss, whether be it copper, wheat, sugar, or any other commodities, or be it any index worldwide. You can discuss, you can book a call. And the best thing is the discussion forum where the like-minded traders can discuss. See, my daily uploads are already available with the summary. Most important thing is the summary is also available. With that summary, you find out the market trend, and then on the downside, we can have a discussion on this topic. And lastly, you'll find the announcement related to the mentorship 27th batch, which is going to start soon. You can find the curriculum. You can register yourself here. You can book the seats, paying here itself. Thus, visit the site for www.forexfunda.com. Links are mentioned in the channel and video description. With that, it is clear that the buying entry at 1985 can be taken. At the same time, I'll recommend you to sell gold today at 1975. Expect 1970 as the first target, 1965-64 as the second. And in fact, I will expect it to drop further or stay bearish from here, achieving, see, this candle might get replicated today, moving towards 1950. This is also very much possible. So you have to be watchful and careful while taking a position. And on the upside, beyond 1985 is where slight bullishness may prevail there, which can take the prices towards 1991-98. Chances are there for a drop. You have to be watchful there. Now let's have a look at crude. Now see, oil on the hourly charts has shown a reversal here, achieving the bottom at around 86.6, and since then has seen the highs at 88. Now see, 88.3 was the greater resistance. It has failed to break past by and has reversed since then. Now look at the last two candles. If you divide into two, you will find, see, these two candles higher lows, these two candles higher lows. And if you look at this, see, it is retracement, and now it may again reverse. So thus again, if you see the price is staying above 87.6, you can buy for 88 and 88.3 level. Yes, it is only above 88.3. We can say further bullishness is going to prevail towards 89 levels, and beyond that, sky is the limit for crude oil. But if you look at the stochastic, see, this has dropped. The MACD has seen the bottom. It is trying to trade with a slight divergence, but it is not completely turned bullish. RSI is almost flat, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, reversal sign, higher lows and swing here. Yes, higher highs are also seen, forming the double bottom. It is trying to retrace. Possibly we may see here 88 levels again, 88, 88.3, definitely a greater resistance. At the same time, a selling entry below 87 should be taken, below which you can again expect 86.6, and then below that 86. See, 86.6, 86, 85.5, 85. Four major support levels here on the downside. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish. It may possibly converge, which suggests that we may see greener candles here. RSI is staying flat, coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3-hour chart, see, double bottom is done. This candle may take a bullish turn here, and thus I will expect beyond 87, 87.6 and 88.3 is achievable, and beyond that is it may turn bullish. But right now we have to wait and watch. Any drop below 87 might bring the bears out there. The stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is flat, coming to 4 hour. Now likewise on the 4-hour charts, higher lows in the preceding two candles. See, there is a bigger wick. That is what making me a bit cautious, because see, the body size is smaller, suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bullish, and that is why we can see it closing below 87.3. Also, if you look at, see, it has bridged the gap and it has almost achieved the highs before reversing here. Thus, these levels are certainly critical. Rather, one can in fact initiate a buying entry here at 87.4, but this price, the selling price, has to be above 87.4, but with caution, note that 87.6 and 88 levels are going to play a major role. So yes, nearby resistances, but cannot avoid it. 87.4, you can initiate a buying entry, but with caution. The stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD is still divergent and bearish. You can look at this crossover is coming at a slightly higher levels, and thus even if it tries to converge, possibly more bearishness is going to prevail. Yes, there is still bearishness. It may not show the reversal which we are looking for. Reversal price means $89 and above, which I do not think so is going to happen. Even if it tries to retrace, possibility of bearishness will still prevail. RSI is comfortable. Coming to the daily. Now, if you look at the daily chart, see there is still a gap on the daily charts here at 88.3 levels, and with the retracement here, there is a possibility that it may try to fill the gap. Yes, one can initiate a buying entry at 87.4, but with caution that 87.6, 88, 88.3, these three levels needs to be breached passed by in order to confirm further rise. At the same time, remember what has happened on the daily charts here is the price is retraced towards the 20 period moving average. Prices have taken the support from the 20 period moving average and now trying to show the swings. Thus, as we discussed, that below 86.5, 86.6 is where the bears will take over. Right now, one can initiate a selling position at 87 itself. Once you see this price at 87, you can initiate a selling position. 86.6, 86.1, 86 levels is the next target, and then further bearishness is going to prevail. Yes, it can still yield a third red candle, taking it towards 86 and below levels. Hence, you have to trade with caution, trade with a stop loss. Right now, it is looking forward to a slight retracement. You can enjoy the retracement, but with the strict stop loss at your entry price. Do preserve your capital first, then you can take the multiple positions. But yes, so if you're buying, you have to put your stop loss at your entry price. Be very cautious. 87.6, 88, 88.3 levels it needs to break past by in order to confirm the rise. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my platform forexfunda.com. You can join my mentorship batch there itself. Book your mentorship batch. If you have any queries, you can book a call with me. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. You can join my free Telegram channel for more live updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss that. Thank you.